Friends, how are you? Actually, I got so many messages, so many phone calls on my Facebook page. I got so many messages on my WhatsApp. So most of the question is, brother, how I can learn English and how I can speak in English. So brother, listen. English is not our mother tongue. Actually, our mother tongue is Bengali, and if you want to learn English, if you want to speak in English, you have to practice regularly. Without practice, you can't speak in English and you can't learn English language. So I'd like to tell you that if you really want to learn English, please practice regularly, because without practice you can't develop yourself.